moped because my scooter's not working.
Oh.
And Will and Grayshot's Will's motorbike will work.
Okay. 30.
Oh, wait. Whoever's on the motorbike is going to win. That's like the fastest thing.
That goes 35.
Well, yeah, but the fastest that I've hit on this road
It's 25. That's faster I hit.
26, I think.
That's what I hit 25.
26 and 27. I mean, I slowed it until about right where I'm sitting, and I had to go hard on the brakes. So,
Okay, turn around and take race Will. Okay, you and Marty race, and then you give Grace the motorbike, I ride the moped, then me and Grace are going to race. Doesn't matter. I know, so's Marty. On your mark!
Wait, where are we stopping at?
The black mailbox. On your mark, set, go.
On both of those things, well, I don't know about the moped, but it feels like you're going fast on it, but you're really...
I know, like on my scooter.
It's like, when I'm riding the motorbike, it feels like you're going really
What?
fast, and then you look at it, it's like you're really not going that fast.
Okay, Will, give Grace the motorbike.
He kind of won.
Yeah.
I have to strap it up to it.
Honda Elite 2001. Motovox MBX 10. Honda Elite 1.